So on this morning's something to smile about.
Smile. So?
We will both attempt to grab fruits and vegetables, as they are called.
And what?
Vegetables, as they are called while we are, well, we're going to blindfold, but we won't close our eyes because we are good like that. So the person who picks the most correct items, which we have not seen, by the way.
I think you should take up all your stuff because this is going to be like a...
This is like, hold on 1 second. Come here, General Soldier. Respect.
You need to move this too.
General Soldier have a radio face, so we don't want to show him. Come again, General Soldier. Come now, man.
Why the soldier? You know that soldier can take you out like with one chop?
Is that, I bet you don't tell me the greatest thing about Soldier. The greatest thing.
Apart from his fitness?
No, that is not the greatest.
What?
Come from Vineyard Town. All right, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Clivus the Divus. My eyes.
Take your hand off the table because he's going to...
Clivus the Divus will put stuff. Oh, you know my hand was on the table and your eye supposed to close. But your eye was supposed to close. No, then, oh, you know I have my hand there.
That's a while ago.
This is your bag?
Which is my bag. This is my...
So we're going to market to buy a fat pig. Again.
No, I'm not buying no pig with a fat nor smart.
This bag cannot go market. What you can buy in this? 1 cucumbers?
Wait, no. So they are going to tell us.
Shut up, Clive.
And we have to find
get off the set. Oh, Clive is so disgusting.
I smell something already.
It's vegetated. It's vegetated.
No, I smell something that I run.
Onion.
I smell it somewhere.
All right.
All right. Talk now, Chrisington. Chrissy.
Take up the grapes.
The what?
Grapes.
Grapes.
Stop touching my hand, guy. Now grape dough on here, so. On the tail, anchu.
It's grapes, there is a 1 grape. Sit and drop. Oh, I find them. I find them.
Don't feel, give me one.
I find them.
Okay.
Next.
Next, the plantain.
The plantain. I have it.
Never. No, I have it.
I have it.
Think you have it.
Oh, a banana, me here.
You don't know the difference. Next.
Richard, you know what I say? And the right thing we take up. Who next?
Put it back and put...
No, put it back.
Pick up the onion.
The onion, me smell it, you know.
It do stink it. No, that's
Sniff
not.
it out.
I eat this? No. I eat it, no.
Ah, not for real.
I eat.
You stole it.
No, me smell it.
Okay.
You.
I was touch it before you took it.
Next. I have your 2-1.
The carrot.
Banana. See my feel, take it up already.
Like 20 minutes ago,
tell me, hold on. But me feel a 1 grape somewhere a while ago. You never get all of it.
Okay, what's
next?
Pick up the sweet potato.
Me don't know any name, so do you know? I want to take up a while ago.
I don't even know what I took up. Did I take up a dashi?
I think I take up. I have the sweet potato. I have it. Don't I have it? I don't have it.
I have it, Chris?
So what is?
Yes, I have it. Nev don't know what a sweet potato is, guys.
No, but I'm not looking, so I couldn't tell anyway.
Put it back. You can feel it. Put it back. What you take up a while ago is wrong. Put back it. Put back it.
I put it back.
Move it to from where you did originally have it.
Pick up
Move it on.
the apple.
Oh my God. Do you have it, Nev?
No, I'm still.
You did, you're lying, you have it.
No, I still have, sir.
You have it, to unshoot. Who was that over my shoulder a while ago?
Hold on, but I feel 2 apple. So look, I will take up something of it. Oh, this no. Oh, I know this what it is. All right.
Put back it.
I put it back, but I have the apple. I have the apple.
Okay.
There the ding.
Go on again. Ready now, man?
Pick up the ginger.
What is that?
Sit and drop.
Don't open your hand.
No, me hear something.
The hand smell like me really gonna mark it.
You have it already, don't. You see, when I get it, I tell you, and when you get it, you don't tell me.
No, I don't
Go on.
tell you anything.
Pick up the banana.
You did have it close
Nev,
to me.
can you cheat? That's not fair. Never will put it where he knew. All right. Thank you, Soji. Stop, Nev. I'm not playing. Clive. Clive, what are you doing over here? Clive, what are you doing over here? Clive, what are you doing over here? Clive. Clive. Ready again.
Pick up the papaya.
My name, sir. Thank you, Soji. You see how life fun. That's why I said General Soji is the greatest man I ever.
Vineyardonians unite.
Of course.
Okay, ready again, Chris.
Pick up. Pick up the tomatoes.
Simone, you're not supposed to touch it until the boys come in.
Nobody asked you anything, Prince. Oh,
Soja, who you work with?
So you're wicked. He's a wicked.
Soja, you know he's the worst man from Vineyard.
Make up your mind. Next, Chris.
Pick up the string beans.
Oh, I didn't feel any string beans on the table. Huh?
It's a string bean.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Is on the other side?
I don't feel nothing. No string bean no there, partner.
You don't feel any string bean, Chris?
It's stringy butter no bean.
You don't feel any
I
string
don't feel no string bean.
Are you sure there's string bean on the table? Clive, are there string beans on the table?
Yes.
Soldier, are there? Hey! Brother. Soldier, are there string beans on the table?
No.
Thank you. Soja said no.
Chris, next. You're too wicked.
Pick up the lettuce.
We just feel that a while ago.
He's a wicked. Stop. Next.
Pick up the garlic.
You find it?
You know what I've noticed?
What?
That all of the thing them close to you.
What? No, who's saying that? What are
No,
you talking
everything
about?
close to you.
That's not true.
Watch out. There's nothing right here. Nothing.
There's nothing over here either.
So where them there? We take up everything then?
Yes. Clive,
All right.
do not come back over
Oh.
here. Clive?
No, I might just open my eye a while ago.
Oh, you know, Clive.
Thank you.
I feel him.
Thank you very much.
You can hear him.
No, I am
First
happy.
of all, when your eyes are closed, your other senses are more heightened.
I am happy.
I hear him and I feel him.
I am happy
I
when
feel
you
somebody in
realize
his face.
that she's a scam. I'm happy when you
A
realize
what?
that.
A what you call me?
A scam.
Ready again. Perimeter.
Up the yam.
Nev. Nev? What
I
you
am.
Pick up the Irish potato.
Did Nev just take up the Irish potato as yam?
Hold on, I will show this one. There is nothing here.
Oh,
So
God.
where everything is.
I don't feel anything over here, my side either.
So where everything is.
I don't know where
So we
to
done?
put it. No. There's more stuff? Let me up the table. Go on again.
What you're supposed to just say.
Pick up the grapefruit.
No grapefruit not there up here too late. That's not heat.
No grapefruit not there.
Where is the grape?
So
So there's grapefruit here?
We just pick up something if I feel like
So you
apple. Let me
like,
not have
Chris,
the
come
apple
again.
already.
Come again, Chris.
Let me not have the apple already. Me just feel something.
Not an apple, silly Billy goat.
Is
Come
what?
again, Chris.
Pick up the sweet pepper.
Whew, supermarket bag full. Nothing more is on the table. Oh, you putting more things?
You don't know, say me never go to market in my life.
That's clear because you pick up the Irish potato for...
You know, Simone know when him come close, she know when him put
I
down
feel
things.
him. You don't know how to feel somebody in your personal space.
And so you feel when him put down the thing them too?
You know, this is a heightened situation in Jamaica. You have to know who is in your space.
Did you feel that him put things on the table?
A while ago?
Yeah.
No,
So how you know him put things on the table?
because why else would he be here? 'Cause for his looks? No.
Well,
Okay, I have a point, don't I?
Pick up
The bag get heavy.
the watermelon.
Oh, wow.
Something just
That's
dropped.
water something, but it's not a melon. You know, Nev, let us strike. Nev,
Yeah?
Christine, take us for prekkie. There's no watermelon answered.
How you know?
Because everything on here is a gadget. You don't
Oh,
feel
you
it.
know. No, you
Feel
look,
it,
you know.
feel
You
it.
look.
What is that?
This is a remote.
Right. And what is this?
The same thing.
Open your eyes.
Open the eyes.
Watch out.
So them thing you sell a market?
A print. How many items do you have in your bag?
1, 2,
tomato,
3,
one
4,
sweet potato,
5,
one
6, 7,
plantain.
8. 8 things.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a tie!
No, we don't tie. We don't tie.
You cannot count each grape individually.
Well, watch me now.
Do not be a crackpot.
Watch me now. 1, 2, 3,
it's too
4,
wet.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You get 13, 8. It's a simple thing. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to cry. Long time I know we
Well, then you know what I'm going to do?
What I know?
Wait, no,
By the way, what is this?
2.
Eh?
Irish potato.
I didn't know that.
Same thing with fries. What?
I didn't know that. When I said what? This is what? I didn't know that either. This is what? This is a yam. I didn't know this. This and that Sheena, same thing? Them come from the same area? Yeah. But me know. Hold on. And this fellow here, what? Pumpkin. Him just said pumpkin.
He was wrong. And what is this?
That are the planting.
Are you sure? Because
Yeah.
you picked up the banana for the planting.
Yeah, but it did feel like.
Anyway, we've all won. We're tied. We're tied. Okay?
What I?
Yeah, because you cannot count the grape individually, because then I'm going to start to pull apart the
Yeah, but that was.
ginger and count
No,
them
but
as
the ginger was
and then
together.
I'm going to start uncloving the garlic, and
The
it's gonna
ginger
be
was
really
together,
bad.
the grapes not together.
It's no, you
But-
have to break it off to use it.
You see, because we go road last night, we never want to
We
beach.
didn't go. How?
We didn't go to road last night. So where I get that picture from?
AI. Chat GPT or Claude.
Oi, hold on now. Oi.
DeepSeek or
Oi.
Perplexity.
9-8. That's it.
That's
for
the watermelon?
something to smile.
You're favor.
Hold on, what is to?
You change it, cut out the hue.